Okay, so basically, I want to demonstrate a Slowloris attack, which is a denial of service attack on a web server. Now, Slowloris is derived from an animal called Slowloris. Slowloris is this animal here. This is a very slow animal when walking, but it's venomous. So I think the coders of the Slowloris code were motivated by this guy. He's very venomous but very slow. So this attack is basically an attack that keeps many connections to a web server open by sending partial HTTP requests very slowly. By doing so, it prevents legitimate users from connecting to the web application. So on my lab, I have the machines here. This parrot is my attacking machine. Then there is a Metasploitable here. It's here. Metasploitable. Let me check its IP. Save admin. So the IP for Metasploitable is 130. This is it, 192.168.100.130. So inside my attacking machine, I'll test ping 192.168.100.130. So I'm able to communicate from my attacking machine. Now I want to test the web server on the Metasploitable, and probably I want to test the dumb vulnerable web application. So we'll access the web application by entering the IP address here, 192.168.100.130. So that is it. Then I want to come here. Let me log out so that we start. So when you're here, the username is username, there is admin, password is password, then login. Then on the security part down here, DVWA security, we're going to set this one to low. I think it's already set. Now let me put it side by side with the terminal so that we check both of them what they are doing. Now at this point, the application is responding so quickly because it has not been attacked. You can see we can navigate all the tabs. So here we want to launch Slowloris Attack. Slowloris Attack is hosted under Metasploit. So Metasploit, you can just write here MSF console. Now this MSF console, we want now to get to use our application called Slowloris. So first of all, you can search Slowloris so that we know which functions to use. So here, this is it. You can see Slowloris is here. So this is the path that we are going to use. So you come here, you say set, not set, you say use auxiliary DOS HTTP Slowloris, then enter. At this point, you can see it change the color to red. It means now you are under Slowloris and ready to do the attacks from this place. So at this point, you will need to set some parameters. So first of all, you show options that are needed. So here you see the options that are needed here. There is delay, which is 15 set to 15. Is it required? Yes. Then the description of that delay. And then there is random user here. Then there is rhost. But on the rhost, at this point, you can see that there is nothing here. So what is this? The description is the target address. So here we need the target address, which is now this on our web application here. So that is the server IP that you will put it here. Then the R port, if it is not set, you are targeting port 80. The sockets to use is 150. If this number goes higher, it's the better. So, but 150 is okay for this test lab. SSL, if you put SSL, it means you can see here it's saying SSL current setting, it is false. So if you put it to true, it means it will protect the web application server from the DDoS attack. It is needed, yes. So basically the only thing that we need to test to reset to set here is the IP address of the server. So you say set rhost, which is the remote host. Rhost is 192.168.100.130. That's our IP address. So you see here it is set. If you want to see if it set it correctly, you can run this command that will show show options. Show options. There it is. So it has set it. The only thing that is remaining is to write exploit, then enter. But before I enter, let's come back on the web application server, the other window. Here, see it is still accessible. It's accessible. Now I want to run here. I want to put enter and come back and try to click on any link here. See what happens. So 1, 2, 3. Then you come here. Now you see here it already started attacking. We cannot now load the application. Any of these links will not work. See, so basically the application now has been attacked by denial of service. So if I was a legitimate user, I'm unable to access this application. Is forever loading. So it will work like this as long as this Slowloris attack is running. If it runs for 1 hour, the system will not load. But the moment I want to click here, I want to terminate this by control plus C to terminate this. Then you will see this one that is trying to load will load immediately. I terminate this. So 1, 2, 3. There it is, and eventually it starts working. So that is how basically a demonstration of a denial of service attack. Thank you.